Medium is a great platform to start writing, especially if you are new to blogging. And some countries' bloggers can even earn money from Medium. So if you want to find out how to start writing on Medium and whether you can make money from it, then this video is for you. I will also share my earnings and other stats from Medium with you guys later in this video, so you will have at least some idea how much potentially you can make even before starting to write on Medium. So now let's get started. So Medium is an online publishing platform that has been created by the co-founders of Twitter back in 2012. Signing up to Medium is completely free. You can just sign up basically with your Gmail account or with your email account. And anyone from amateur writers to professional journalists can write on Medium. If you have a story to tell, an idea, knowledge or information to share, then Medium gives you a home for your articles. Once you start writing on Medium, you will have your own personal space and you can start growing your audience. Joining to Medium is completely free, and after joining to Medium, you can start writing your articles right away. Now let's see how to do that. To write your first article, click on your profile page and select the Write a Story tab, which will take you to your first draft. Here, you can define your title. When you click on this plus sign, you can add an image from your desktop, or you can choose a free image from a website called unsplash.com. And here you can search for an image. And Unsplash will bring you a lot of free good images, so you can choose one of them for your article. And after your image is ready, then you can directly start writing your story. You can also add subtitles, links, and quotes to your stories. Once your story is finished, then click on the publish button and it will take you to the last configuration step, which you can change the image if you like, or your title and your description. And here you can add some tags so other people will be able to see your story. You can also select your story to make it eligible to earn money or not, but I will come back to this later. And if you click on publish now, then your story will be live. If you prefer, you can also send your articles to publications, which is another important point you should understand before starting to write on Medium. So what is a publication? Publications are shared spaces among different writers who write stories among a common theme. For example, let's visit one of the publications, JS Daily. Now, Daily.js is an example of a Medium publication. Once you visit it, you will find here articles only about JavaScript written by different writers. And as a writer, if you are also interested in writing, for example, JavaScript, then you can send your article draft to this publication. And if the editors of this publication think that your article is good enough to publish on their publication, then your article will be published here and will be ready to be viewed by the audience of this publication. This is a great advantage of a publication. They already have a built-in audience or a growing audience. And if your article gets selected and published in a publication, then your article will automatically start generating traffic. Another great advantage of a publication is that it has a better Google ranking. So if your article gets published inside a publication, then it will probably get a higher Google rank and will get more traffic from Google rather than publishing it directly on your profile. Of course, if you prefer, you can directly publish an article on your profile, but then it will be much harder to get it ranked on Google and to generate traffic from it. So that's why at the beginning of your writing career, getting your articles published on publications will have a great benefit for you. Okay, now let me explain how the payment system of Medium works. Medium provides a membership program to its loyal readers. Well, basically there are two types of readers Medium has. The first one is free readers who can read every free story inside Medium, or they will have a limited access to the stories behind Medium's paywall. But once the readers become a member, they will get unlimited access to every story inside Medium. And in exchange, they need to pay $5 per month or $50 per year. Now, what Medium does with this money that it takes from its members is that Medium distributes this money to its writers who own the stories behind the Medium paywall. But in order to start earning money from Medium, first of all, you must check if you are eligible for that. If you are eligible to join the Medium Partner Program, then you will be able to monetize your stories. But as I said before, firstly, you need to check if you are eligible. Unfortunately, the Medium Partner Program does not work for every country. You can only join to the partner program if you are living one of these countries that given here. So make sure you check that first. And if your country is not on this list, then unfortunately you cannot join to the Medium Partner Program. After you do that, you need to have a Stripe account and connect your Stripe account to this Medium account. And the next step will be that you need to submit your taxpayer information to Medium, and then you can join to the partner program. Don't worry about this information here. Once you start the process, then Medium will explain every step carefully and you will be informed. And the final requirements applying to the partner program is that you need to have at least 100 followers. So it's good to publish a couple of free stories before and start getting some followers. And finally, you need to have published at least one story on Medium in the past. And if you complete all of these steps, then congratulations, you can start earning money from your stories. Okay, now let's see my stats and earnings as an example. All of my articles on Medium got around 18,000 views in the last 30 days. Here below, you can see all of my published articles so far. For example, my last post about the top 3 programming languages has got around 800 views and a read ratio of 46%. When I click on the details, we can see that this post has earned $7.30 so far with 800 views. And there is an average reading time of 2 minutes and 41 seconds. This is important because this is actually the one how our earnings calculated. So when we see more details here, it got 800 views, but only around the half of it are internal, which means that internal reads coming from the Medium members, and the external reads are coming from other sources, like for example from Google, Facebook, and other kinds of external sources. The second one is the daily earnings, and when the member reading time increases, so does the earnings. Now maybe you will ask here, okay, what is this distributed mark here? Distributed means it is distributed by editors or by creators, which is especially important for earning more money, because when a story is good enough to read, then the Medium editors can decide to promote it on Medium. And once it is done, then you will see that it has chosen for further distribution. If that happens, then your post will get a small boost at the beginning, so it will reach more audience of Medium and you will also earn more money. And we can also see the stats of the Medium Partner Program. When you view this page, you will see which post has brought you how many dollars, and the most earned will be shown at the top of the list. And if you look at the months here, you will see that in the last year I have earned around $30 to $40 per month. So Medium gives a high importance to quality articles. If you can put enough efforts to your articles and increase their quality as much as possible, then your articles will be probably selected more by creators, they will be promoted more through Medium, and also you will be able to send more articles to the publications, which will also get more views and more read time, which also help you to increase your earnings from Medium. But even if you don't earn anything, or even if you can't join to the Medium Partner Program, I think it's still beneficial to write a couple of posts on Medium, because Medium has other advantages that can be helpful for your career or for your online business. So what do you think? You think that Medium is a good platform to start writing with, or would you prefer rather to write on your own blog? Let's meet in the comments down below, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you guys for watching.